So Santa has brought us a gift. Let's open and see what is inside. Oh, Cosystove. Heat powered stove fan. Oh, I'm excited. Let's just use. Stove fan. Is there anything else inside? Yeah, there is a booklet. So, heat powered stove fan. It doesn't need electric. It just works with the bimetal electric principle. And let's just try it. This is the handle for lifting. So okay, let's put it on this oven. This is the one I bought many years ago from Lidl. And this is the one I just bought it now. Cosystove. Slightly looks bigger. Yeah. Let's just see how it is when it is heated. I will clean the top actually just to make sure there is a good contact between the top of the wood burner and this bimetal. So I have now wiped out the surface so it dries because the heater is on, and we will see how it will do. Now we show you when it turns on. Okay, the best thing actually for cleaning this is using ash from the wood burner itself. I think I have a video about that, but anyway. It's practically very fast. You cannot see individual blades in the but just normal eye, but the camera actually shows it slower. The frame rate is not adequate for this. With the two fans working together, the room got so hot that my wife has to open the door. So we just opened the door of the room with a wood burner in it. And this really seems that distributed the heat very well. In a way, we can say that it reduced the amount of the wood we burnt actually to keep it warm, the place. So that really helped actually. It was really working nice.